This is something I use a lot, and it's the Faber-Castell Collapsible Water Pot, which I'm just going to talk you through because I find it to be a really useful addition to the equipment I use. And it's really useful when you're travelling, sketching, urban sketching, or travelling on holiday, or even just a short trip out. You can just pop these in your bag and they pop out, they click out, which I'll show you in a second. And this is my latest sketch, which is a sketch I did of the Washington Monument, and I've just uploaded a demonstration of me sketching this when I was in DC just before the lockdown. I think it was the 1st of March I did this. There was the flags that encircle the Washington Monument, and actually the monument itself is probably a bit taller than that, but because the composition would have looked a bit lopsided if I did it its actual height, I sort of took a bit of artistic license and shortened it somewhat and tried to balance off the composition by having a cloud feature here, and this structure here helped as well. I'll put a link to this video in the description box below. I hope you enjoy that. But in this video, like I say, I just wanted to show you briefly something that you might find useful in your own sketching and painting travels, journeys. You know, I'm talking about it as if it's something you use when you're traveling, but I'm just using it all the time now. So put that one away. I have two of them because I like to make sure I have dirty water and clean water. So essentially the main feature of this pot, or foldable water cup as it's correctly called, I call it Collapsible Water Cup pot. Yeah, anyway, I think correctly, if you were to look it up on Google, it would be Faber-Castell Foldable Water Cup. Anyway, so you have the Faber-Castell logo here. It has a nice sort of rubber feel, nice grip to it, coating, and then all you do is you kind of put your fingers in there like that, and then it just pops out. So you have a decent sized well of water there, and it's very firm and stable here. This is obviously the soft structure of the unit, which enables you to fold it like that, pop it back out, and it's firm here as well. Has a nice coating, so the paint doesn't tend to stick to that. It's easy to wash. You don't even have to fold it out if you're not going to be using much water. You could just keep it like that, but generally I do fold it out. And another nice feature of the cup is that it has these, I can show you on the other one, it has these sort of curved ridges, and the purpose of that is that as you're painting you can just rest your brushes there like that, which is a nice feature. I've actually found that to be very useful. Well thought through. You know, when you're sketching outside, it can be easy to put, you might be sitting on the coast, you might be sitting on a rock, you put your brush down, it rolls off. So as long as you find a good stable place to put your cup, then this actually is one of those really simple features that is really useful and really effective. So there we have it. The foldable water cup from Faber-Castell. So thank you very much for watching. I'm going to try and get busy doing some more sketches now, and hopefully some more demonstrations will be being uploaded shortly. If you want to make sure you don't miss those, then please subscribe to my channel. And I'd love to hear what people think about this product in the comment box, or you can just give it a thumbs up or share it to anyone who you think might benefit from using this. Otherwise, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.